Hey there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to set up our KGK printhead on our transfer belt trolley. You'll be needing to do this whenever you want to code on the base of your container. So as our container is moving through the transfer belts, we'll set up our printhead so it's actually ejecting directly on the base of the container. To do this, our standard printhead stand comes like this. What we're going to do is we're just going to grab an Allen key here. I've got the 5mm Allen key. We're just going to loosen this attachment here. We're actually going to pull off this whole attachment here. This will just gently swing off, and then we won't need the rest of the printhead stand in use with the transfer belt trolley. So then what we're going to do is we're actually going to mount it on this upright rod here, attached to the back of the transfer belt trolley, and it's all going to be done using this same Allen key. So just going to bring this into position over here. Just going to slide this down this pole, bring myself roughly into position, and I'll just tighten this off just a little bit because what we're going to do is mount our printhead in this bracket here, and then we can actually set the exact position where the printhead's going to go. So if you have the KGK, we have the signature round or cylindrical printhead. That's actually going to go inside of this triclover clamp. We've got this custom mounting bracket inside. So I'll just grab the printhead and then we'll get started.